The first thing I want to look at here is, do you even need an air cleaner in your workshop or garage? The answer is yes. If you were to make a series of cuts on your table saw and you had no air cleaning capabilities, in order for that air quality to get back to a healthy level, it's going to take over an hour for that dust to settle. If you make the same number of cuts on the table saw with air cleaners running, that time is going to be about 10 minutes or less, depending on what kind of air cleaners you have. So you're going to drastically cut down that time that you're going to need to wear your dust mask. The best part is you're not going to have all that fine layer of dust all over your work surfaces, all over the garage. If you're in your family garage, your wife is going to hate it, or your partner, however you want to say it. The second thing that I want to mention here, if you're going to get an air cleaner, are you better off with industrial ceiling mounts, or can you get away with just a box fan with a furnace filter taped to the front of it? The answer here may be a little bit sad and shameful. I spent a fair amount of money getting the ceiling industrial units. Those are 800 CFM each. I ran the table saw cutting test with both cases here, and this little $30, $40 unit here performed just as good as the ceiling mount industrial units. Both of them were around 10 to 12 minutes to get the air quality back to a healthy level. Yeah. You get a better proximity with this configuration here. I put it just at the end of the table, so you're a lot closer to the dust source than the ceiling mounts. But yeah, I was very surprised to learn that this configuration could perform just as good as a more powerful industrial unit. The third thing to look at here is, if you're going to go this route and get an air cleaner in your garage, go ahead and build one of these Corsi-Rosenthal boxes. This configuration here gets considerably more airflow than this, and it absolutely destroyed the industrial units. This took like 2 to 3 minutes to clean up the air. You get the proximity, you get better CFM rating here with the airflow, and yeah, this is the way to go if you want just a cheap way to get yourself into the air cleaning game. The Corsi-Rosenthal box, you can find videos on how to make this. You can see it's just taped together the filters with some duct tape. I got some white duct tape. Put the fan on here. You want to suck the air through the filters and blow it out the top. Quick little side note here. This is something I noticed when I was trying to get this smoke test showing how the air pulls in through the filter. If you don't have this blocked off here on the side here, you get a lot of the airflow sucking in the dead spot of the fan, and just essentially it would just be going in and then blowing back out. I blocked these off with some tape, way better suction through the filters, so I think that would increase the efficiency of this Corsi-Rosenthal box a lot. And then the fourth thing here, when it comes to air quality in your workshop or garage, dust collection is king. I saw this when I was doing a bunch of testing with my orbital sander. You take an orbital sander and you just start sanding some MDF or plywood, the air quality just shoots through the roof. If you take that orbital sander, you hook it up to a vacuum, you can't really even budge the air quality, because all that fine particulate in the sander is just getting sucked into your vacuum. And yeah, that's the solution. But for all that dust that does escape, the air cleaner is what you want to use. If you want to see an actual guy that knows what he's talking about when it comes to these air cleaners and scientific testing, check out the 3D Handyman's video on this subject right over here. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was fine. Could it get any better? I don't know. Time will